Hello everyone, how are you today guys? So we are here. It's me again, your Calabs Joanne. So I'm feeling relaxing today guys at this moment, at this time because napagod ako kanina guys. So galing ako sa labas, no? So at this moment, feeling relaxing with Miming. Miming, higo with me guys. Ayan, nakita nyo guys? Nako, minsan it's feel very rare na lang talaga no guys. We have a vlog with together with Miming. Minsan na lang talaga kami magsama ni Miming guys. Ayan, so as you can see the face, hala, it feels very looks good daw talaga siya. Ayun si Miming guys. Oh. Do you feel okay, Ming, and love me? Okay. Kasi tapos na daw siya nagmerienda. Kakatapos lang kasi namin nagmerienda dalawa guys. Ayun, kumain din siya ng yung kinain ko din. Miming talaga, it's very talaga din sa na, kahit mga ganyan din sila guys, no? Kailangan mo din talaga pagbigyan ng atensyon kasi din yan sila, magpapansin din talaga. Oh, you go up daw, you see daw here, oh. You show daw here your face daw, be. Ayan si Miming guys, as you can see. So, sa tagal naming ngayon lang kami din. Nagkasama din siya, no? So, to show, hala, why you closing your eyes? Okay. Nagkasama kaming dalawa guys. So, I hope everyone dyan, you have a nice day and a great day morning. You have a great day ahead, no? You have a blessed day, everyone. So, yun lang guys. Keep safe palagi. Ayan. And always think positive. Ayan, na ito na yung tayo guys. Feeling relaxed tayo guys, no? Kasi I was feeling tired earlier guys. So, yun lang, update natin with Miming. Diyan si Miming, so feel cute. As you can see, guys. Oh, medyo ang panahon natin is may guys. Oh, parang makulimlim sa labas, guys. It feels like want to get rain, but na kasi guys. So, yun lang ang update natin. So, I hope you have guys. Thank you so much for watching and a great day, everyone. Bye! See you next again. Mwah! God bless!